Hello. Saturation means making colors more vivid, intense and bright. And desaturation means lowering the intensity of the colors and making it black and white. And let's see how we do that in Photoshop. After selecting and unlocking the image, let's take a duplicate of the image so that we have a original copy anytime we want. So Ctrl J is to copy the image. Select this image. Since this image is less saturated or have less colors, less bright colors, low intensity, we have to increase the intensity or the vividness of the image. The image is selected. Now we will go to image, go to adjustments and click on hue saturation. We will have this box. So to increase, we have to move the slider to a right side like this, and to decrease we have to move the slider to the left side below 0. So while we desaturate it, it becomes black and white. Like the saturation is now -100, it is less than 0. So the image is desaturated or black and white. To increase the saturation, we can give the value like 50 here or move this slider to left or right. So when we move the slider to right, the saturation increases, the intensity of the colors increase, and we can see a more saturated image here. And click OK. If the values are now final, click OK. So we can see the changes in the image by making this image visible or invisible. To make it black and white, what we can do? Select this layer, go to image, adjustments and click on desaturate. The image will come completely desaturated or black and white. So now we can see the change in both the images. This is our original layer and this is the desaturated layer. So this is the procedure of desaturating or saturating an image in Photoshop. Thank you.